those of you who have watched my other videos, you may have noticed that I'm always kind of wearing the same thing. I always have the two pairs of overalls that I had on. I find them super comfortable and really great for homesteading. So I just spent the last 3 days taking one of my pairs of overalls that got a burn hole in it and cutting it apart, making a sewing pattern, and I sewed 4 pairs of overalls from some fabric that I bought from fashionfabrics.com. I chose 100% cotton twill. It should be tough. It should be great. But I did kind of want to talk about why I think overalls are the best clothing item for homesteaders. And I've tried everything. I've done jeans, I've done leggings and tunics, I've done skirts when I wanted to be the Little House on the Prairie thing. And for practicality, durability, because I don't have much space for clothes, and that means that my clothes get a lot of wear and tear. So for durability, and then just for convenience, I find these overalls great. Some of the things about them, probably first and foremost, is these pockets. And it's not just that it has big pockets, because I know you can buy cargo pants that have huge pockets and all that. But because it has the straps, when you put heavy things in your pockets, like I tend to have my hand pruners, even my phone is pretty heavy, my pocket knife, all of those things, they're not pulling down on my waist because they're just hanging gracefully from my shoulders, and I don't have to worry about a belt digging into my waist or pulling my pants up all the time when I'm doing things. When I'm building, there's a lot of twisting, turning, picking things up, putting things down, reaching for things, climbing things. And these overalls are loose enough that you can make all those motions. They don't fall down. You have no plumber's crack showing, which nobody's out here, so I guess it doesn't matter. But still, I find it uncomfortable to be pulling pants up and stuff all the time. The other thing is you can layer. Like I can wear these with long underwear and a couple of shirts underneath, or put coats over the top, or just, just a tank top and roll up the pant legs and go around barefoot. The stereotypical farmer. But so they're very climate changeable, like they allow for you to do different things. And then I won't say they're fashionable because I've never really been good at fashion, so I really wouldn't know what's fashionable, but I do find them incredibly useful and comfortable. I am doing my very best to get out of the whole fast fashion thing. It's a work in progress, of course, but part of that for me is to sew my own clothes. I love sewing. I've been sewing forever. This is such an I could do 3 of these in a day. Once I got my pattern finished and perfected, it took me a day. I can do 3 pairs of overalls in a day. So that's pretty awesome because I can take one day every 6 months or every year or whatever, sew the overalls that I need for that season and be done with sewing and put my stuff away until the next project. So I think that it's important, if you're going to live like this and do things like this, it's really important to think about your clothing. It needs to protect you. It needs to allow you to do the things that you need to do. And, it should be cute, I think, too, but I hope it is. If there's any questions, if you'd like videos on how to make these, or if you'd like to see anything else that we're doing, please drop a comment. I do my very best to respond to everybody. And I appreciate all of your input. We'll see you next time.